Hey family, the grind don't stop, family. The grind don't stop. Who would have known where they at? Where they at? Where they at though? Where they at? Where they at? Who would have known? Who would have known that you can sell some pizza pans? I mean, you can sell anything, yo. Anything that's gonna make you a profit, grab it, yo.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side, we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks. No breaks.
What is going on, family? I'm back with another one. Before I start the video, I want to first start off by saying, yo, my fam is the best. Like, you guys, yo, I got mad support for the music. A lot of you guys downloaded my song. I was gonna say single, but I guess, I don't know. You guys downloaded the song that I created and you guys are liking it, so that's pretty awesome. If you haven't downloaded the song, I'm gonna keep posting the links in the description below for the people that's been asking about my intro song to my videos. Yeah, so a lot of you guys went and actually downloaded it. I didn't expect that a lot of you guys actually liked that song. That's pretty cool, man. Yeah, so I'm happy about that. That's awesome, man. Also, I want to mention another thing. I still have people asking me about like courses and whatnot. So some of you guys have seen the video where I recommended a course or whatnot, and low key, I'm not gonna say any names, but low key, a lot of you guys are in my DM asking, hey Lavar, is this course actually work? Hey Lavar, what courses, like, do you think this guy is good for this course or what? Like, so low key, a lot of you guys are interested in like taking a step to buying a course. You don't have to. Listen, you don't have to do that. That's a personal preference. Now, do I think that it'll catapult your income? I do, if you take the right course and you actually implement the knowledge that you gain. But I'm not gonna turn my channel into that, like just talking about taking courses and stuff, because it's just not. I'm not just focused on that. That's not what I'm here for, guys. I'm here to just help my fam make money. Now, for those of you that are low-key interested in the course, but don't want to say it out loud, but you're in my DM saying, Lavar, what do you think about that course though? Like, all right, so this is what I'm gonna do for you guys, all right? Just so that everybody, I'm gonna give fair, I want fair play for everybody. So for those of you that like that stuff and want to get mentally like engaged with that the people who took course and doing well from the course, that community, for those of you that want to get engaged with that, once a week I'm gonna post, let's say, like an ad, okay, where it's gonna be a testimonial on courses, right? So, and I'll let you guys decide if you like it or not. Like, I'm just gonna post it, all right? So I'm saying that here, once a week. Now, I'm not gonna do it all the time every day, but once a week. For those of you that still are asking me about that and want to know, is it a good step, I'll post an ad for you guys once a week, right? The best courses that I would recommend, the only courses that I would recommend, really. All right, so and the reason why, and a lot of people ask me, like, how do I come to the conclusion of recommending certain courses, right? And I'm gonna explain that to you as well really quick. Before we get into this video, I'm sorry if I'm rambling, guys. I just wanted to get this out for you guys. The way I come to the conclusion that it's a good course is just simple. Numbers and stats don't lie, okay, guys? And it's kind of like some people get mad because it's kind of like somebody who has been shopping on eBay for their entire life, right? Or since it was here. Like, they only know eBay. They don't even know Amazon, right? So they know eBay. They heard of Amazon, obviously, because it's a monster. And then they're asking people, hey, what's the best place to shop online? And then everybody else is saying Amazon. And then that person's like, kind of like getting upset, like, nah, not like, they just want to hear. They want to hear somebody else say eBay because that's what they know, right? And that's what they believe in. So a lot of you guys may not believe in the course, so you want to hear other people say F the course or don't even mention a course, right? But some people believe in that, right? Some people believe that that's the way to go and that can change your life. And there are many facts that you know, prove that is the case. So for those people, I'm gonna do it once a week, guys. Once a week, probably on a Sunday or something, right? Where I'll post an ad for you guys, all right? I'll post an ad with some testimonials, with, you know, with the course of, you know, maybe a Shopify ad, maybe a Amazon private label, it may be affiliate marketing. But once a week I'll post those for you guys. You can watch it if you're into that. You don't have to watch it if you're not. Alright, it's that simple, guys. I'm gonna post an ad. It won't be my ad, it'll be an ad from the people who actually took the course, and just testimonials to get those people that want that into that mind frame, and to see other people who are winning from those courses. All right, guys, so for you guys, I'm gonna do that for you guys once a week. That's it, no more than that, because everybody's not into the courses. But for the ones that are, once a week I got you. Okay, now got that out the way. Got that out the way. That was kind of a little long, but guys, I'm gonna show you a little bit of some pickups that I found in the last couple days. Not much, nothing much. I mean, you can do stuff like this. This is really small. But I'm gonna just show you some pickups that I found, because I found a lot of these on accident. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna show you guys, these. Check this out, guys. So I was in Aldi's. We was food shopping in Aldi's, because that's like one of the best places to food shop. And I found these. I scanned them. Well, I didn't even scan them. I seen them and I looked them up, and I found the exact same ones on Amazon, right? And these are gonna make me about $5. They're pretty light. They're not heavy. They're not that heavy. And yeah, they're gonna make me, I think, $5 or $6 per one. I bought them all. This is all they had. If they would have had this many, I would have bought all of them, because it has a good BSR in kitchen, and yeah, nice reviews, and I'm making over 100% ROI. So yeah, I bought all of them. So I was in Aldi's, randomly in Aldi's. Well, not randomly. We was going food shopping, and yeah, I found these guys, and they're gonna make me 100% ROI. So be ready to scan whatever store you're in. So this is pretty awesome, right? I'm gonna show you another thing I found, guys, randomly. All right, family, here's another 2 random. They had more of these, but I wanted to test them, right? So I found these in wait a minute. Yeah, okay, I found those in Aldi's. Okay, the pans I found in Aldi's, which is like, you guys don't know, if you guys don't know, it's like a supermarket, food shop. You can like buy food there, like a grocery store, right? This was in Ollie's, or Ollie's, however you pronounce it, right? This was in Ollie's, Ollie's or Ollie's, I don't know how to pronounce that, right? But this was in there. I got 2 of these, right? This is gonna make me 100% ROI as well, but it has a bit of a high BSR, where it's selling around like 30 or 40 a month, which is like 1 to, you know, 1.5, one a day, right? 1 item a day. But there was only like 2 people on the listing, so that's pretty good. Yeah, so I found these. We were actually going to the Dollar Tree next to Ollie's, or however you pronounce it, and I decided to just walk in, do a bit of some retail arbitrage. And I found 2 of these guys, and I'm gonna test them, and if these do well, then I'm gonna go back and buy them all. See, I purchased them for $15.99, and they're gonna make me around 16 or 17 bucks. They were selling for about 30 bucks on Amazon. All right, so no, a little bit over 30 bucks on Amazon actually. But yeah, guys, so I have 2 of those. I have all these little pizza pan, deep dish pizza pans. And you guys have seen this already, I think. I bought this a couple days ago at the Goodwill, right? That's gonna make me some good profits. And I got a router and a tortilla maker as well, guys. Now, once I reached this little stat where it looks like this. Check this out. I'm gonna show you guys. See if you can. Oh, it's a little dark. You probably won't see everything. But this little pile, that, and a couple of things up there. I've been getting stuff together day by day, right? Where I just be out and then I'll find a couple of items. Once I find, give or take, like 10, 15 items, I will, if I haven't found more than that, then I'll just ship them in, guys, because you don't want them just sitting around. You don't know what the listing can do. So it can go higher or it can go lower, but if it goes lower, that's good. You just want to get it in as fast as possible. So once I reach about 10 items like this, I will actually just send it all in. But if I have like 5, 6 items, I probably won't send it in, guys. I will sit on it and just keep finding stuff day by day, and then I will send it in, guys. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that, because it's really that simple. You don't have to go out and just like don't expect to just go out and be able to spend $200 on a $4,000 haul or a $1,000 haul every single time, guys. This is just day by day within a week and a half, and you know, I found about 10-12 items. Well, no, about 12 items here, give or take, and that's a good haul right there. It's gonna make me a couple $100, and that's it. I'm gonna send this stuff in, guys, and it's really that simple for retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage doesn't get any simpler, guys. Yeah, just kill it keep the fire burning, kill it while you got it going. One day I found 2 items. The next day I found 6 items, those little pins. The other day I found 4 or 5 items at the Goodwill. Another day I found 2 items at the thrift shop. Like, guys, it's that simple. And then on top of online arbitrage, guys, this is what you want to do. You don't expect, like I said, don't expect to just be able to find a huge haul your first day. Guys, legit, you can take a week of just sourcing, get 15 items together, send it in, do it again the next week. But then some weeks you're gonna have some home run weeks where you find about 50 to 100 items, even more, and even more than that. I have weeks like that all the time. So guys, yeah, this is just a quick one just to show you guys, even, you know, a couple little items, still make you some money, get in as soon as possible, and keep the fire burning. With that being said, I'm not gonna make this a long video. I just wanted to show you that the fire's still burning for the retail arbitrage. It's gonna stay burning. And thanks to everybody who is downloading the music. That is insane, guys. For any of you guys that are new here, I'm gonna say this in every video now because I'm getting a lot of new people with the same questions on how to actually start and ship in and do all that other stuff. I will always post the links to everything you need to know, the main videos to actually get going and make your first, you know, your first check from this, like the step-by-step how to send it into Amazon and everything you need to sell on Amazon. Those 2 videos will be down, and the BSR video. All those will be down below, along with the links to the song, so you guys can go download it, along with maybe some good references to some courses that, for those of you that want to take courses for whatever, like Shopify, Amazon private label, affiliate marketing, whatever the case may be. Just look below the video, guys. I'll put everything in the links below for you guys from now on. I will always say this in the videos so that you guys know, for the new people, because all the other family, y'all already know. Y'all already know. It's peace and love. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.